Even though many of us want to make our slides more visual, sometimes it's hard to know how. The good news is that there are so many different types of visuals at our disposal for slides. My name's Christine Haas and I am your slide guide. Today I'm going to share with you how you can make a list of items more visual. So here's our example. This is a list of the forces behind UPS's or United Parcel Service's sustainability goals. The presenter made a great first step to improve this slide by writing a clear message at the top. He also shortened that list to key phrases and put them in boxes to separate each item. These are good first steps, but we're still asking our audience to read a lot while we're presenting. It's not as visual as it could be. Whenever we have a list of items, it helps to see if they fall into any common categories. Our working memories work well with lists of 2, 3, or 4 items. Because of this, I always limit myself to no more than 4 different categories. In this case, I found there were 4 overarching drivers behind UPS's sustainability goals. They were the customers, the competitors, the environment, and cost savings. Once we've determined the categories, then we can figure out a picture that represents each one. Here I have a picture for customers, one for competitors, one for the environment, and one for cost savings. Now we have a slide that's memorable for an audience. The presenter can choose to have a slide on each of these categories if they wish, but this is a much better way to introduce those sustainability drivers than all that text we had earlier. So when you have a list of related items, see if you can categorize them into no more than 4 categories, and then come up with a visual for each of those categories.